Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and tonight's video I'm going to be doing an off-centered bowl. So I've got this mounted on a worm screw at the moment on the center, and there's another worm screw hole just off center. So I'm going to be using the Easy Woods parting tool there just to make the recess for the chuck jaws. So I'm now just starting to shape the bottom and the sides of this bowl. I'm not going to go beyond the smaller of the two lines, because I will be remounting this on the cold jaws once it's finished to tidy up the bottom anyway. You see those shavings there coming off real nice on this ash. And now just working on the final shape. Nice and steady, nice small shallow cuts, no tear out at all. A little bit of a bell shape, I think. And now to sanding. Klingspor Abrasives, which is 120 grit up to 240, applying the Hampshire Sheen pre-thin cellulose sanding sealer, 2 coats, and I'd leave about 10 to 15 minutes in between each coat. Now that's dry with the Yorkshire Grit now, 500 RPM to start with, slowly buffing it in and slowly increasing that speed up to around 1000 RPM. So that pad comes off clean. So now with the Hampshire Sheen High Gloss Wax, this is the first coat of 3. So just working that in there, nice thin coats, not too aggressive, and a nice wood pad, just allowing that to work in. Like I said, no pressure needed. So now we've got it flipped around, and we're just going to face off the top of this bowl. Got the mid-size finisher there, just taking off some high spots, and then coming in with the roughing tool, the square roughing tool, just to face off this final pass there. Does it just nicely. So sanding again, same routine, 120 up to 240 on the outside, because I'm going to be Yorkshire gritting it, as I said. There we go with the sanding sealer. And now the Yorkshire Grit. I want to finish off the face of this, because when I do turn the off-centre piece, I don't want to have to come back and readdress this. There we go, that's come off clean. And again, Hampshire Sheen, first coat of 3. Got a little bit too much on there, so that takes them off. Just seeing that one there, just starting to shine up. Now I've changed it around and working away on the off-centered bowl. Just nice and steady. Lathe speeds at 1200 RPM at the moment. I don't go above that. Get some nice clean shavings. Just slowly working away. I break these walls too, and I would change just for you. Now I've got the outer walls done, just removing that centre mass. try to leave that centre mass in as long as possible, especially with doing the off-centre ball, just to give it a bit more stability. Now I don't need it, so I'm working it away. And there's the wormhole screws. And there we go. Centre mass is nearly gone. Just blending those last couple of cuts in. Now coming back with the mid-size finisher there, just to do some final passes, make sure the thickness, the depth is correct, which it is, and just working away, blending that centre in. Very nice. Right, I've sanded all this up to 400 now. Last couple of weeks I've been playing with the earth colour from the Intrinsic range, and at the moment it's my new favourite. So apologies, you may be seeing a little bit more of this colour in future projects. It seems to adopt the other colours quite well as well, and I don't know, something about it. So it's actually getting quite late at the moment, so I put the earth on, and then the next day I come back and I looked at it and I thought, you know what, just add some honey. So I added the honey, and I think it gave it a little bit more depth. So there's the honey going in, and then Hampshire Sheen, again, first coat of 3, don't need much pressure at all, and as you can see, at one point the paper towel flew up my hand, not a problem. Anyway, I hope you like this one, and if you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Never trip and fall.